Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you very delicious and perfect market style mango ice cream recipe with only just few ingredients. So with this you can even make the kulfi by setting it in kulfi molds and even the matka kulfi. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. So for this I have heated a kadhai on the stove. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk into it. Here I'm using full cream milk. You can use milk of any kind available. And a little half cup of milk I'm saving for later use. I will use it in the later phase of cooking. Now allow the milk to boil at low to medium flame. So here you can see the milk has started to boil. Now stir it using a spatula. And now add in 1/4 cup of sugar into it. Stir it well and cook the milk until the sugar dissolves. Cook up to 1 to 2 minutes. Now take the milk that we have set aside and now add in 4 teaspoons of corn flour into it. Mix the corn flour well and make a slurry of the corn flour. Make sure that this milk is not warm. Use the room temperature milk or cold milk. Now by continuously stirring with one hand, add in the corn flour slurry to the milk and continuously mix it. Now add in half teaspoon of elaichi powder for good flavor. You can even use the essence of your choice. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Here you can see it has become thick. Now off the stove and set it to cool down. Here I have taken 2 mangoes. Let's peel the mangoes and collect the pulp. So first of all I have peeled the mangoes and now I'm going to take a bowl and cut and remove all the pulp from the mango. So here you can see the mango pulp is ready. Now let's take a grinding jar and add in the mango pulp into the grinding jar and make it a thick puree without adding water into it. So here you can see the puree is ready. Now the mixture that we have prepared has also been cooled down. Now add in the mango puree into the mixture that we have prepared and mix it properly until it becomes smooth and all the mixture is properly mixed. And here you can see everything is mixed. Now put it aside and take a cold vessel and add in 1 cup chilled whipping cream. Here I am using non-dairy whipping cream. You can also use Amul whipping cream, or if you don't find whipping cream you can even use fresh cream that is easily available at every store. Now beat it on low to medium speed for up to 5 to 6 minutes until the soft peaks are attained. Continuously beat it. So you can see after 5 to 6 minutes soft peaks have been formed and the cream is also doubled up in its size. Now add in 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. You can even add mango essence if you have. Now add in yellow food color. So here I am adding the yellow food color powder. You can even use the gel color or liquid color, or you can make as it is also without adding any food color. Now the prepared mango mixture, add in little and mix it continuously. Pour in little and beat it. This way you have to mix all the mixture and finally our mixture for ice cream will be ready. Add in little and continuously mix and beat the batter. So here you can see our mixture for ice cream is ready. Now add in 4 to 5 tablespoons of mango chunks, which gives very delicious taste. Also add in dry fruits. So in dry fruits I'm only adding the raisins or the kishmish, which gives good taste. Now take a container in which you want to set an ice cream and pour the ice cream mixture into the container. Tap it twice so that it gets settled. Now for garnishing, add in mango chunks on top. and a few dry fruits of your choice. This is totally optional. And also raisins, some kishmish, and a few melon seeds on the top. This makes our ice cream look little attractive. So here 2 to 3 drops of guava crush also I am adding in to make it little more look attractive. It is totally optional, you can garnish it as you wish. So here our ice cream is ready to be set. Now what I'm going to do is, in order to avoid the settling of ice crystals on the top, I will place a polythene cover or cling wrap on the top. I've even added the pink colored pearls that I was having in. So here I'm putting in polythene cover like something plastic. You can even use the cling wrap so that the ice crystals are not formed on the top and our ice cream turns to be creamy. And on top of it I'm also going to cover it with the aluminium foil for extra security and wrap it. And now I'm going to cover it with the lid and it is ready to be placed in the freezer. And the remaining mixture I have also filled in kulfi molds and even the matka kulfi mold. So let's freeze it for up to 5 to 6 hours or up to 9 to 10 hours according to the temperature, according to the coldness and the degree of your fridge. So here I have set the ice cream overnight and I have left it overnight for it to set. So here you can see our delicious mango ice cream is set. Let's take the cover out. I have kept the polythene on the top and no ice crystals have been set. So you can see how creamy and delicious it looks and how wonderfully it's get scooped out. See, perfect, mashallah, it looks so amazing and it looks so delicious. Not only it looks delicious but it is delicious. So here you can see our mango ice cream is ready, which is so delicious and made so simply at the home. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And if you like my recipe, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. So here you can see our kulfi and the matka kulfi is also ready. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.